and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can pretty much build this outdoor cinema in Heartopia. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 5 across as well, like that. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, wait. Oops, we forgot one more tile. Oh my gosh. There we go. And we're just going to place some low walls surrounding basically like everything here. Like, whoops. I'm trying to make this fast, but whenever I record, like I just become 10 times slower for some strange reasons. And one more side, you guys. There we go. Grab the flooring and place it on top of the like corners, and we're just going to place it all around. Now we're just going to color it this grass color, and then we're just going to get some floorings and we're going to put it on the ground. I am going to be using the pebble swatch for this one. Whoops. Okay. Now we are going to put some fences all around it. So we're going to grab this one, where is it? The light and shadow grill wall. I don't know how to pronounce that. And we're just going to place like one here, and then another one here, and make sure they're overlapping as well. And then one here. So 9 all around, like that. And then like that. You can make it taller if you want to, but I'm just going to leave it like this. Then we are going to also get the metal fence, and we're just going to do kind of the same thing, but in the like inner corner. That, and one more over here. Okay. Then what you're going to want to do, I actually don't know where it is placed in. Maybe a decoration. Let me just use the Dreamlight Cinematics one. We are going to need the large cinema screen. Or was it the small one? Okay, I think I need to make the small one. I'll be right back to craft it. Okay, I am back. So we needed the small cinema screen. Sorry guys, I thought it was the big one. So we're going to get this one, and we're going to kind of place it in the middle here. Oh, okay. I'm just going to color it white all around. Confirm, press the check mark button, and we are going to glitch that. So let's glitch that first. Okay, try that again. Okay, next I will be using the flower like planter box that we got from the brick event. And I'm just going to color it like this. Oops. And then I am also going to place the wooden wall storage here on the right side. If I can just, sorry, let me just kind of zoom in a little bit. Okay, next we are going to add some sofas. Hopefully you have the like corner sofas and stuff like that. The one that's like here in this set. Oh my gosh, I did not rotate this fully. I don't know why I did that. Okay, then we're going to use the rest of the sofa. And I didn't even put it on the corner. What's wrong with me today? There we go. I was like, why can I not fit that? That's why. And we're just going to place them all around the area like so. Okay, I'm just going to decorate a little bit here and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I added like some food items and table, like I added just a table here. So I'm just going to press complete to save it. And I will go back to the same blueprint for the final result. And here is the finished results. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!